Here's how to sign out of your Google account from every device at once, fast and secure. First, open any browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. If you're not signed in, log in with the Google account you want to sign out everywhere. Once you're in your account dashboard, tap Security on the left side, or on mobile, scroll across the top and select it. Now scroll down until you see your devices. Tap Manage All Devices. This page shows every phone, computer, tablet, and TV that has access to your Google account. To remove access, tap any device from the list. You'll see details like the model, location, and last active time. Tap Sign Out or Remove, then Confirm. Repeat this process for every device you want to disconnect, including old phones, borrowed laptops, or devices you no longer use. If you want to sign out of every device instantly, the most effective method is to change your Google password. Go back to the Security section, tap Password, and create a new one. This automatically signs out your Google account on all devices except the one you're using right now. And that's it. You're now safely signed out of your Google account on all devices.